Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this video, we will understand how to duplicate or clone any of your website page or post in your WordPress website. So let's say if you are working on any page or post. So as you all know that if you are familiar with WordPress, there are two options in order to publish any type of content on your website. First is in format of post, and second in format of pages, right? So post like articles or blogs or latest news that you want to share, keep on sharing with your users or readers on more frequent basis, that is called post, or you can publish that content in format of post. But if there is a content or there are content pieces of content that you want to publish on pages but do not want them to be changed frequently, you want to keep them for longer period of time, then you can use the format of pages. Now whether you are working on post or pages, there are options or there are cases where sometimes you feel that I need to duplicate an existing page or post because let's say you are creating landing pages or you are creating similar layout of pages, then you will not want to create a new page again and again and copy the entire layout and paste one by one section. Instead of that, what you can do is you can directly copy or duplicate or clone the entire page or post, and you will get exact replica of that page or post in just single click. So that is the agenda of this video. Stay tuned till the end, follow all steps as it is, and you will be able to perform this functionality without any problem. So first step, in order to do the same, what we will do, we will go to plugin section and click on add new plugin. So there is a small plugin that we need to install in order to achieve this functionality. That is, we will simply search for duplicate. We will simply search for duplicate. And as soon as you search duplicate in the search bar, you will get multiple options, right? Duplicate page, duplicate post, Yoast duplicate post, right? Duplicator. So there are multiple options. So I would recommend these two plugins, either duplicate page or Yoast duplicate post. So you can go with any of the plugin. You can say that this was updated 3 weeks ago and this was updated 5 months ago. So this is the latest one, which was, recently updated. So I will go with this one. So click on install now. And once the installation is finished, you can just simply activate this plugin. And this is our step number 1. So we'll just wait for the installation process to be finished. And as soon as it is done, we will now activate. So this was the step number 1. Now we will move to the step number 2. That is to see the settings. So after we activated the plugin, you can see that Yoast duplicate post is enabled, right? So now there are multiple options. So now we are into the settings option of this plugin, that is duplicate post options. Now it says what to copy. So when you are duplicating or making a clone of any post or page, what you want to copy? Post page element to copy title, date, status, slug, content. So there are by default options which are enabled and some options are not enabled. So if you don't want to play around with multiple options, you can leave them as it is because they almost have most of the required options that are necessary. Then again, title, prefix, title, suffix, increase menu order. So in general, you are not supposed to perform any of these tasks. You can just go ahead and click on save changes. And if you have not made any changes, then it's simply fine. Now, how to use this functionality? So for that, whether you are working on post or page, it's your choice. Let's say we go to pages. And now as soon as we are on pages, for every page, there is the option of clone. So previously, without this plugin, you will not see this option that is clone. After you installed and activated the plugin, you will see the option that is clone. It means you can just duplicate or create a clone of this page or post. So if I click on clone, so that's how in just a fraction of second, the exact duplicate copy of About Us page, right, is created. And since it is just, cloned, by default, it is not published. It is in draft mode. So in order to publish it, you need to click on edit, and then you need to first publish it, or maybe you can work on Elementor or maybe page layout, and then you can publish it. I will just publish this page. And since I already had an about page, so this page URL will be different. I mean about to, like this. So this is a duplicate of about page. So the URL is about dash or hyphen to, right? And now I can work on this page. Similarly, if you want to duplicate post, then you can just simply go to post. You have, let's say I have this option, and again the same thing is clone. Click on clone. The new post is there. Currently it is in draft mode. I will click on edit option, and I can perform all the tasks, like I can add content, remove content, modify the content. And as soon as my work is finished, I can just simply publish the content. Now, please remember, when you are making a clone of any page or post, the by default URL, as I earlier mentioned also, it will have a 2, numerical 2 in the URL that you do, of course, don't want. Then in order to remove this, what you can do, you can just modify the URL. So on the right hand side, if you go here, you can see the URL option. So click on this and you can change the URL. Of course, you need to change or give it a unique URL that is not already existed. So let's say hello is the URL, and now URL is hello. If I update it, and now if I view the post, the URL is /hello. It means I have cloned the entire post and page with just single click, and I have changed the URL as per my convenience, but the entire page is cloned in just one single click, and I can now modify the content. It is only applicable or useful when you want to create similar types of pages multiple times. So instead of copying the entire layout and again, you can just click on clone, and there will be multiple copies of whatever page or post you want. So that's how you can achieve this simple functionality, amazing functionality for your WordPress website. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, you know the drill. You have to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon so that you don't miss any update from our channel whenever we upload a new video. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.